Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python Flask. Today we are going to learn how to connect with the PostgreSQL database with Flask. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So in the previous video, you should recall what exactly the extensions we have used. So what are the Python packages that we have installed? That is this one. So this we have to install py mysql, okay, and this package also, which one, sql alchemy. Okay, so you need to install this pip package. So where it is, so where I have run this command, so this is that one, install flask sql alchemy. Okay, so you have to install this python packages. After this, let's go to the code. So here we have the code for connectivity. So here we have to just copy this, and the rest of the code we will make it the same. Okay, so here we have to just add the code first, like this. Okay, so this is done. So here we have to go with the PostgreSQL, and here we have to add username and the password, and here the database. So let's go to the pg admin and check. So here we have the pg admin. Okay, so let me start this pg admin. I think PostgreSQL is the user. I'm not remembering. So here we have the REST API. Okay. So I'm going to use the user. Okay. We have already the data inbuilt into it. Okay. So we will take the user, and here we have the REST API. Okay. So the database is REST API. Here we go with this one. REST API. And here we have to the user, I think postgres, and the password, I think admin is there, I'm not sure. Admin. Okay, postgres admin, localhost, everything is done. Let's try to run this. Okay, it's running because I am using the debug, I guess. Let's do this one also. What it says, flask run importing app, importing was raised. Okay, for this one we require this module, so you have to install this one. So this module is missing, so pip, I think I have added. So let me go to the down, and here we have to install this one. Okay, so we have to install this one. So make sure you have to install like this. Okay, so this is done. Let's run the flask run, and let's open the development server. Internal server error, something went wrong with the, I think I have done with the post. Okay, and currently the code is regarding the, so I need to make it like the user, and here we have the table name, I think we have the user one. Okay, so here we have the user table, right? So what it is, I think the table is with email, password, role. Email, password and role. ID is there, email, then password. Okay, and we will make the change like this, query this, and id is there, user.id. Then we have email, so make it like email and the password. Hope so it will work. Okay, and then here we have the for loop is there, user in user, so users data print and render the template with the help of this. And where is the template? This is the HTML template that I have to add it over here. So here we have the index template, Postgres. So here we have to go with only the email, not done anything else, right? So let's try to check, is it working, or again internal server error. Select post. Again, let's restart this. Mhm. Here you can see the data is there, data from the Postgres is there, and you can see that all the data is coming with the help of this array. You can see that we have what we have printed out over here. Okay, I think we haven't started the server at that moment. Okay, so here you can see, so it is rendered, and whatever data we have here, you can see do 11 Rajni Royal and everything, all the email is there, right? So this is how we have done the connective with the Postgres database, right? So here you can see the main important thing is that is your connection string, that is very important. Okay, and this is SQL Alchemy track modifications to be false, initialize the SQL Alchemy, and then you have to define the user model. Okay, whatever you want to use, right? On the behalf of it, you can use the data, and here just query to fetch everything, fetch list of the users from the users table, and here we have to do the just making the formation of that array, and after this print that one. Okay, so here you can see that we have made this and just sending this users data users to this one. Otherwise this is not required. If I'm going to do like this, I want this users to go it over here, and here you can see if I do this one and just reload, the data is there, or you can see that I can just restart this. Okay, and still it is running like this. Okay, so there is no issue in that one. If you don't require this one, just users send it and loop through it and just get the email, or the email we have, the password is we have, id we have. Okay, we can also print the id also. Okay, so on the behalf of it, you can go with id also. So just restart this, right? So here we go with this one. The id is there because here you can see the id is 123456 is there. Okay, so this is the connectivity with the SQL Alchemy with the Flask Python. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.